I know two people who have sold this product on Amazon and lost thousands of dollars doing it, and it's because they listened to the advice of a lot of the old gurus on here telling you to launch the same product as everybody else and just try and get ranked and sell well. That method no longer works. And in my last video, I talked all about that. But my brother Mark told me that I did not give you guys enough examples of how to actually take these products and make them better. I will not launch a product unless I can make it better than the competition in the space. And so in this video, I'm going to give you multiple examples of how to do that. Because these people that launch this product, you can see the whole niche here looks very similar. Each product looks similar. There's not a lot of differences here. And so when you launch a product in this space, why would anybody pick yours when it looks similar to the guy who happens to have 50, 60 reviews already and you don't have any? We can also see in this market, this is on JumpSend, and this is a website that people use to give away their product for 50 to 99% off in order to get ranked and try and get more sales from that. On this one website alone, there are 14 people trying to give away their product for almost free. And this is one of 5 or 6 different websites. There could be 60 people trying to give away this product for almost free. How the hell do you compete against a space like that? You just cannot do it. It doesn't make any sense. So we're going to be talking about these 3 ways on how to make a product on how to actually make the product better than the competition. The first one conveniently called the better product. Before we get into that though, guys, my name is Adam Fisher. I want to teach you guys how to get to your first $5,000 a month selling on Amazon. That's what my whole channel is all about, helping out the new people. So first one, making a product better. This is going to be a lot about finding a product, getting a hold of it, and reading all the reviews and figuring out how you can take a product from this level to the next level. This is not, this is a good example. This is not a Walmart, a secondhand store. Amazon customers are willing to pay for quality. That's the kind of people that shop on here. And so this right here is a product. You can see these large storage containers. They're selling their revenues are insane, like $50,000, $100,000 a month. But the problem is, look at this, they're 4 stars. Why the hell are they 4 stars? It's because the products are break easy, they're low quality, and all you gotta do is read the reviews. Hell, sometimes they even come to your house broken because they can't withstand shipping. So the strategy, something that I would do here on a product is to go to Alibaba and find a product in China that's a much higher quality. Okay, plastic is pretty cheap and it's not gonna cost a ton of money to make this product like 50 or 100% thicker so it can withstand a lot of force. Then my strategy, in order to actually show customers my product was better, is to take one of these containers, and I saw a picture like this on Alibaba, so I know it exists, of somebody standing on top of the container. Literally, I have a container, I have somebody standing on top of it. And now not only can people clearly see that my product is heavy duty, I might look at how bad these titles are too. These titles are awful. I'm going to write in my title like heavy duty storage container will not break, and then put the size and the size and all that stuff at the end. But with that, people are willing to pay more for this heavy duty product, and I would have one. And not only that, guys, a lot of you miss this. You need to be able to demonstrate to your end customer why your product is better. And by having not only, obviously the reviews will show my product's better as those build up, but I don't start with any reviews, right? So I need to have something like that picture to demonstrate my product is a better quality. That is so important, is having something like that picture. The second product right here is going to be a bundle. Now a bundle is when you actually take, what you're going to do is you're going to take a product that's selling well, and you're going to either add an accessory, add products that are frequently bought together, or you're going to add products that are best sellers in the space. If you take 2 products that are selling best sellers in the space and put them together, there's a good chance a lot of people are going to need that, right? There's a reason they're best sellers. So here's an example of some people who did a great job of this. This guy, this scratch off map of the world. Now this is a product that is very saturated, but yet this guy was able to take the scratch off map of the world, add a scratch off map of the United States. Now these are very complementary products. And the awesome part is this scratch off map of the US. It's going to cost him almost nothing to buy this. It's an incredibly cheap product. And his product cost goes up just a minuscule amount, but he can add a lot of value. Now this is something cool you can also have when you buy his instead of his competitors. and that's how you can compete. That's how he's competing, even in a very saturated market. Here's another example. So these right here, these plastic containers. One of the uses for them is to make baby food. You put these things in a pressure cooker, and to make baby food, you put in like fruits and vegetables, and then it makes it a mush that babies can eat. So this guy decided to put these spoons with them. They're matching spoons. These are very, very complementary products. And now he's being rewarded, right? He's selling, he's making money. And the thing is though, he's not the best seller in the space, and he will never ever be the best seller in the space, because this product has a lot of other uses too. And so he's never going to be the best seller because there's so many other uses. But for people who want to use this product to make baby food, he has the best product out there. And not only that, he's one of the first in the market, so he's built up a good enough a lot of reviews to defend against people coming in and trying to compete, because other people have tried this exact bundle since then and they're not doing near as well. Okay, you do not want to be the 3rd, 4th, or 10th person to try a bundle. You want to be the very first person to do it, so that way people pick yours. It's not a new product if 30 other people are bundling the same thing. It's not a new product, you're just copying someone else yet again. So the last thing that I have actually been doing a lot recently, it's on a new brand that I'm working on. Let me go back to making a product better, because this is exactly what I did on my very first product ever. I took a product, the whole entire niche was 3 to 3.5 star products, right? Those are awful reviews. And I read all the reviews, I bought some competitors' products, and I figured out how to make the product better. I had to buy a mold that was $300 for a metal piece like this big, and now I have a product that it's decisively better. It's never going to be the best-selling product in the space ever, but for my niche, for the niche of the niche that I'm in, I can be the best-selling product because I have the best product for that need. Okay, so let's go back to this last one here, reusing a proven design and using it on the product you're trying to launch. Let me explain this one to you because it's not quite clear yet. So back to these baby diaper caddies that are super saturated, but they all look the exact same. And what we could do here is take this product that's proven that people will have demand, but it looks so generic. Let's take a design that's proven itself in another category that's selling very well, and let's see if it makes sense to put it on this product right here. So if we go take a look at this product, baby swaddle blankets, okay, we have the exact same people buying these two products, right? It's so similar product for your baby. But if we see here, the number one guy, Hudson Baby, look at these designs, okay? These are like actual real designs. The second choice, the Amazon's choice right here, like these are designs that I didn't see anywhere on the other product. They're not on there, at least on the first page, and they've proved themselves here. It might make sense to go over to this market. Now, warning, this market is so saturated, the prices have been driven down a lot. There's really no way there's no excuse to ever go into this market. But you guys can use the same thinking to go into other markets that aren't so incredibly saturated. Remember, I always recommend you check JumpSend to see if how many people are trying to give away their product for absolutely nothing. So we can use the same thing for, I found this baby cup right here. It's the number 106th, it's the 106th best-selling item in all of baby. And you can see it's got this really cool heart design on it, okay? Now this might be a good design to take and move on to other baby items that don't have good designs on them already. This is actually how I'm building out another brand that I'm doing, okay? I hired a guy, he's gonna be helping me build a brand, right? Essentially, I'm trying to train him so he can launch brands for me, but this is exactly what I'm doing for that brand. I'm taking a niche that's selling $10,000 to $20,000 a month for the best sellers, but every single product looks the same. None of them have designs on it, and I'm putting a really cool design on it that's selling $50,000 to $60,000 a month in another very similar niche. So that's a strategy I'm using. So I'm showing you guys. So here's another example, right? Baby bibs, very similar product, and there's some designs here that might look at these designs might make sense to put on there. Again, don't go into that. Again, this is just a strategy for you guys to look at and use for other products that you find. So those are 3 ways. One last thing, this is a very good tip for you guys. This product right here, it's the weighted blankets niche. I've literally had 3 people ask me about this product in the last month, and it is an awful product to go into, and here's why. This product, if you look at the average price over the last 90 days, it's gone down by, this is Viral Launch, by the way. It's the tool that I use to find products. This product had, the first page has gone down on average 17% over the last 90 days, okay? So the price used to be here, and then subtract 17%, that's where it's gone. That is a very good indicator that there's way too many damn people entering the space, and they're way too willing to compete on price, especially once I figured out how much this product cost. I had somebody told me they could get this product for $60. Well, you can see there's somebody trying to sell this product for $70, and the price these people could get it for was $60. That was after shipping, but like $60, they haven't even paid for Amazon fees yet. It's just a bad product to go into. So there's the 3 ways to differentiate. Again, my name is Adam Fisher. If this is a good video, hit that subscribe button. And I do have an entire course on how to do this. I go in super depth on how to do this, how to do everything, right? It's 8 hours of content from the very beginning, if you don't know anything on how to sell on Amazon, all the way to the very end, launching your product. There's this entire section on advanced techniques even after that. And I want to help people actually launch these products, okay? So many of you are trying to do this watching YouTube videos. I tried doing that too, and I can't even tell you how many mistakes I made on my first product. I made a whole video on them, and it was 6 mistakes I made, and then I thought of another 6 more the day after I made that video, because you just don't get the information you need. With that, go check out my course below. It's the first link. Go hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.